that. Next, leadership qualities. Like everyone doesn't have leadership qualities, but if you are having or if you are built up, it may help. Okay, so the kind of assertiveness, the kind of communication, the kind of conversation with others, okay, the kind of decision things which you are taking in critical situation, that is all matters in leadership. Okay, so it will improve your personality. And next, motivation of him. Okay, so when come to motivational, there are two types of motivational. One is internal and another one is the external. Okay, so which is arising from us, that is the internal, which is arising from outside, that is external. Okay, so this kind of motivation is very important. When we don't have internal motivation, we might be end up in death situations. Okay, if we don't have external motivation, we are trying to finding out the life to lead. Okay, so that is the thing. We are learning, or we can improve, or we can adapt in our daily life. And next, communication. So communication is also very important. Even nowadays, it's a kind of huge transmissions. Okay, every human being learn how to communicate with others. Okay, so that is the thing. Most of the works will working on the communication basis. Okay, so if I communicate you properly, then the process might be very easy. If I don't communicate, then the process might not complete. Okay, and the communication, even in the communication, no one will accept rude communication nowadays. No one will accept incompleted communication. And we want to give a particular information about a particular tone, particular phase, and particular variations of your tone. That is all matters in communication. And the next one, emotional intelligence. It's very basic concept. Why? Because emotion is not external thing. Emotion is internal one. Okay, I am happy because I have happiness. That's why I am happy. I am happy not because of you. But most of us believing I am happy because of you. That is the thought everyone having. No, I am sad because I am having sadness in me. Okay, that's why I am having sad. Okay, not because of your words, not because of your tone, not because of your personality. I don't have sadness. Okay? But this is the concept everyone, every kind of societal human beings have. So emotional intelligence is very, and emotional stability we are going to maintain, and it will help to how to maintain. And the health. Okay, so health is also, for example, like if psychological health is decreased, your physical health is also decreasing. If you are not in mood, you don't know how to do works. The mood and the work, the physicality is like correlated from one to the another. Okay, if you are in kind of sad situation, we are not fully functioning the whole day. If you are in happy situation, you will do every work with enthusiasm. Okay, so with the full body activities you are doing. So that is